Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up or committing your project so you can revert if needed. Close emulators and VS Code terminals, then rename the root folder to the new app name. Open PubSpec. YAML and change the name field. Make sure the new name is lowercase with underscores. Next, search the workspace for the old project identifier, package, or bundle, and prepare to update Android and iOS-specific files. Once done, install dependencies to validate the new PubSpec. Now focus on platform specifics. For Android, open Android/app/build. Gradle and replace application ID with your new reverse domain package, then update package attributes in Android manifest. XML and the main activity/Kotlin or Java files. For iOS, open iOS/runner. Xcode proj or use Xcode to change the bundle identifier in project settings and also update info. List entries. Make sure file paths match the new package structure. If you move files, update imports and package statements to maintain consistency. Then run Flutter clean. Finish by running Flutter pubget and Flutter clean, then build and run on an emulator or device for each platform to catch runtime or manifest errors. Look for compile errors that point to wrong package names or invalid imports. Update Dart imports and Android/iOS entry points accordingly. Once everything runs, update README and CI configs. Troubleshooting tip. If builds still fail, check for cached Gradle or Xcode-derived data, clear them, and if necessary, revert to your backup to isolate which change caused the break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.